Take this cover off. You can push on these push pins, and then they slide up. They pull out. You can just do this with a screwdriver. And grab this whole panel and just slide it back a little bit and slide it up. Grab this cover, just slide up on the front, and then it slides out. Take this bolt out right here, use a 10mm socket. Take these two nuts off right here, use a 10mm socket. This one right there. And grab this plate and slide it off. Then you can take a small ratchet, and there's a little area where you can attach that right in the back of the tensioner. Push it forward. You can slide the belt off, release the tensioner, and use a 10mm socket. Take these two studs off. And when you take this last stud off, and the tensioner is going to slide right out. Then you can grab the belt, slide it off, and you have to go kind of twist it to the side in front of the water pump, in front of the pulley. Then it slides out. Now slide this in position. You have to twist it sideways to go over the water pump pulley. Around the pulley. You can have it go around this pulley. We're going to have the tensioner here, so we want it on this side of the tensioner. Get the stud started. Snug those up. Now take the belt, go over the tensioner, get it lined up, make sure it's lined up down below. And adjust it over. Looks good there. Put this cover on. Line it up over the studs. Put the nuts on. Get those started. Before you tighten the nuts down, get this bolt started up top. Then snug them down. Put this cover on, make sure this holds the hose underneath there. line that up. Take these push pins, push them back so there's a little bit shown on top. Get that started and push it so it goes flush. Do that for the rest of them. Put the cover on, line it up, and push it down.